Okay, so this is a video for walking us through 5 or 6 things that we can do during the prep for spring. This is past prepping for winter. We've already had a few freezes, definitely a few freezes here in zone 7. Man, it's a really windy day, windy and chilly, not fun. So excuse the wind in this audio. But yeah, so here are just 5 or 6 things that everyone can do really to help better prepare for the spring or for your growing season. And the first one is I like to call it non-gardening activities. That's things like me addressing, first of all, my water catching system that sort of works. This mess here that was left by the previous community garden plot owner, that mess there, these are going to be put up as the bean tunnels again. So you're going to have those bean tunnels back up. So that would be, in my opinion, a non-gardening activity. When I say gardening, that's like down in the soil, digging in the soil, harvesting your wonderful produce. Another activity that I think is non-gardening would be setting up these borders here that I haven't fully finished, creating those borders over there next to the compost. So things like that, right? That would be a non-gardening activity. Another thing you can do, a second thing you can do, is inventory of your tools. Inventory of your tools and your equipment. I'm definitely going to be needing some more tools for this upcoming growing season. I went through a few shovels. I was a little rough with them, so gonna have to get some new shovels. Gotta get my walkways ready. That's number 3 on my list. As you can see here, gonna have to put some more mulch down here in the walkway. I want to actually get some mulch down also outside my community plot, because it's pretty muddy out there, so I want to get some mulch down there as well. But yeah, getting all the walkways ready. Some of mine are ready, but most of them are not. Just want to have them ready for the kids so they can run around the garden, and I won't have to worry about them wandering into the garden beds, since they'll have nice cleared out walkways. The fourth thing you can do is sketch out a plan of your garden, right? And I like to do this while I'm in the garden, right? So bring pencil paper to the garden with you and sketch out what you have. Sketch out where the beds are, sketch out the approximate size, sketch out what you want to grow, plan on what and where you're going to grow. That's always good. When I don't do that, I find myself a little bit overwhelmed when it comes in the spring. Another important thing that I think many people miss is testing their soil. So before you're adding amendments, please test your soil, right? It's you can contact a local college or university, and they'll sometimes test your soil for you for free. So check that out. Research for your area, what resources you have. But yeah, just get a simple soil test and test your soil before you add anything to it. And lastly, I would say research who you're going to get your seeds from, right? Where are you going to be getting your supplies and your seeds from for this upcoming growing season? And I would encourage you all to maybe find a seed company that is in your region, maybe a smaller mom and pop seed company that is making an extra effort to be environmentally friendly or sustainable, take care of heirloom seeds, grows things that are native to the region, stuff like that. So do a few minutes of research this year, figure out if there are any seed companies like that in your region of the country or world, and see if you can support them. All right, and happy gardening, everyone. It is too chilly. I'm out.